v.io review. So let's try out v.io. I'm on the website and let's click start for free. I'm gonna sign up with my Google account. Now the interesting thing here, you can't click go free here, but you can click continue with free plan in the, okay, whatever, let's just continue with the free plan. And here I can upload files. Let me upload an unedited video. Okay, so now we need to wait for the video to upload. So here we got the transcribed content. To remove all silences, you're just gonna click on one and then click remove all silences, or just remove this one. So let's see how natural this silence sounds. Downtime or high traffic. You can also simply search up generator AI status, the status. Second, clear your browser's cache. This is actually really smooth, not gonna lie. This would save you so much time actually if I had this in DaVinci Resolve. So can I delete an entire sentence? Can I delete or Twitter here? I can. What will it sound like without or Twitter here? It's via their Discord channels. It's common for this. Okay. It's not that perfect. So we can add video, audio. Don't want to get copyrighted, although I wouldn't imagine this being copyrighted material. We can add some images. Let's add a business image right here. Wow, okay. Can I edit the image? I can. Like that. For high traffic. You can also
this is pretty good.
It takes a while to upload a video though. I don't like that. We can do some text here. Let's delete the traditional one. Generator AI status. Now let's see if I can fade it in. No. I don't see an option to. I probably can't. So let's click done. Export video. So far, the worst thing about this is the uploading of the video. And I don't know if that's just my internet connection, but I know when I upload something to YouTube, it doesn't take this long. So all in all, this editor is actually pretty good. But something like DaVinci Resolve is still something that I would use. Although if you want to make, I guess, YouTube Shorts, TikTok or Instagram Reels, because when you make Reels, you just want to make as much of them as possible without actually focusing that much on the quality. So I guess this is better than DaVinci in that type of way. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.